Hey, welcome to our channel. You are watching Review Panda, and in this video we are going to review top 3 best rowing machines. If you're thinking to buy, watch the video completely. Before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe. Links are mentioned in description. Our first product is NordicTrack Smart Rower with 10 HD touchscreen, NordicTrack RW900. If you're looking for a truly immersive experience rather than just a simple workout, the NordicTrack rower machine brings all of the smart features you need. It has a 22-inch touchscreen, one of the best you'll find on a home rower, and live resistance control that gives iFit trainers the power to change your fitness reality experience during a rowing workout. This magnetic rowing machine combines air and magnetic resistance that really up the ante on workout intensity. I felt like I got the most intense workout with the NordicTrack RW900 rower, since you can also set the rowing machine workout resistance levels yourself. Product features 2 forms of resistance, 22 inches Smart HD rotating touchscreen, quick adjust pedals, space saver design. Our second product is Stamina ATS Air Rower Best Budget Rowing Machine. About this item: wind resistance provides efficient, smooth rowing stroke. Multifunction monitor displays speed, distance, time and calories burned. Includes free access to MAV. The smart audio coaching app. Upholstered, padded, sliding seat makes rowing comfortable and sliding easy. Sturdy steel construction that's built to last. If you want all of the bells and whistles, you're definitely not going to get them with the Stamina ATS Rower. But this is a good option if you properly manage your expectations. It has a very basic digital interface that shows speed, distance, time and calories, and that's it. There's no way to digitally control resistance, but one of the perks of a machine with air resistance is that it automatically adjusts to match your speed without the need for too much technology. On that note, there's no immersive iFit-like experience here, but for around $320 you get a fairly smooth rowing stroke and seat glide. Although there were several times I hit the stopper at the end of the seat rail. Our third product is Concept 2 Rower. Not yet tested. It's impossible to pull together a list of the best rowing machines without at least mentioning the Concept 2, maker of probably the most well-known rowing machine out there, at least the most well-known by CrossFitters. I haven't had a chance to properly test a Concept 2 rower yet, but the Concept 2 model indoor rower consistently gets high marks across the board. While the rower doesn't have any advanced technology, its digital display just highlights the basics. It's smooth and can take heavy day-to-day use, which is ideal for serious rowers. And at $900 for the standard model, the tall legs model is $1,050. You really can't beat this fitness equipment value.